Good afternoon and welcome to this week's vlog. Just finished doing a demonstration at Chichester Art Society, which went very well, I think. Everyone seemed to like it, lots of nice comments. And so it's pastel portrait demonstration. And as you know, or some of you might know, I've been running a little competition the last couple of weeks to raise the profile of my social media and also get some fun doggy pictures. So had lots of compliments on those. I've got another demonstration next Saturday at the Bognor Art Society. We're going to be teaching people how to get a likeness for their portraits. So looking forward to that. It's going to be a 3-hour one. Got some paint and sips coming up next week. Monograms. And what else have I got planned? I'll put them all in the description anyway. I'm just popping to see Artisan, the Artisan Gallery in Chichester, where I have some work being displayed. So that's nice. Can't wait to see that and see everyone's lovely work. I've seen little clips on Instagram. So I'll take a little bit of a film so you can see as well. Gorgeous sunny day today. So I am kind of tempted to do a bit of painting outside, but I'm parked somewhere where I shouldn't. So I think I'm just going to go to the gallery and then just pop back. But I've got some Zoom calls coming up end of March, and if you are an Art Challenger member, I thought I would open it up to you. So if you have a photo of a loved one or a hated one, I don't mind, then send it through, and if it's a good photo, good quality, then I'll draw it, and you are welcome to draw it along with me, and we'll have that as our project. The news, we've had a couple of cancellations for the June art retreat. Now the sketchbook art retreats, Sketchbook Italia, get sold out quite quickly, so usually we're booking a year in advance. So if you are interested in coming to learn how to sketch, use watercolours, then I teach in the morning, and we stay at the most beautiful place called Il Picchio Verde, the Green Woodpecker, and we do excursions in the afternoon, which might be paper making, might be going to a cantina. Cantina's wine tasting. Food's included, apart from a couple of meals out. It's a stunning venue. We get quite a lot of repeat custom. If you're interested, then check out the dates in June. I think, well, I won't tell you what they are because I can't remember. The other thing is I didn't get around to doing a video tutorial this week, which I'm disappointed by, because I was trying to set myself this challenge of doing one every week, but I've had a couple of video flops, as it were. So they just not work. So I'm going to re-record my Van Gogh oil chair one, because I really like that one. And I'm going to, there's another one I was planning to do next week. So I will back up my ideas for next week. So thanks for joining me on my video tour of Chichester. At least I will have recorded one video this week, so that's something. And do hope some of you can join me for the Zoom calls. You don't have to be an Art Challenger or a one-to-one member to join in, but if you'd like to contribute a photo for us to work from, then I'm going to be setting a timescale on that, so a deadline. So it'd be good to get the pictures through in the next week or two, so that I can publicise it on Instagram and Facebook. Anyway, thank you for joining me, and I shall see you soon. Bye.